Kinilaw na Dulong. Ingredients: 1/2 kilo, silverfish, Dulong, cleaned, 6 pieces, Kalamansi, Filipino lime, or 2 pieces, lemon. 1 tablespoon, white vinegar, 1 tablespoon, minced ginger, 1 teaspoon, ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons, minced red chilli, 2 tablespoons, salt. Cooking procedure: combine silverfish, ground black pepper, and salt, and then mix until everything is well incorporated. Then add minced ginger and minced red chilli. Continue mixing. Then add calamansi or lemon, squeeze, then gently mixture. To distribute the juice, put it into the refrigerator at least 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Sinigang na bangos. Sa miso. Ingredients: 1 kilo, milkfish, bangus, cleaned and sliced, 1